Recording.
I'm recording, buddy. Go, you got this.
We got live camera.
You got 5 minutes. Come on, buddy.
Someone send this to me.
Do you have your phone in your pocket, dude?
I want to see Logan the Demolican.
I left it at home for a reason. I'm being
I got your
raptured.
mirror camera.
Yeah, I left my phone home.
Oh, it's a turd. Oh, it's in my pants. It's everywhere. Oh.
You know
yourself.
I'm posting this right on YouTube, on YouTube.
I'm just gonna show this to Peyton.
Come on.
Oh, it's wet. Oh my god.
You got so many cameras on him.
God.
It's so wet, guys. I can't even.
He's not gonna cross.
Yeah, he's not.
He's gonna fall.
Yeah, you're gonna
He's
fall.
gonna either fall or not cross at all.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall.
Logan, you're going the complete wrong way.
We're probably, if we're gonna have to cross this lake.
I know what's gonna happen. He's gonna fall in. He's gonna hurt his ankle. Either me or Max is gonna have to go in there.
He's standing there because he's gonna not.
We're 1 minute in.
Oh, he's slipping.
Hey, what? I think we should make a bridge. There's gonna be one of these days we're gonna have to make a bridge.
What are you doing?
No, there's a thinner. I wish you could have chosen the area over there because there's a thinner.
No, that one's smoother.
Woof
No,
woof.
no, over there, you dingus.
To your left, Logan.
Oh, he fell. No, he didn't.
Logan, to your left.
I'm posting this on YouTube.
I'm posting this on YouTube.
Oh, there's a log that
I'm gonna figure out a way to post this.
That's
on
what
YouTube.
you said, Logan.
I'm posting this to my YouTube channel.
Over there.
What's a YouTube?
We know you're gonna
Yeah, let's go.
No, he's not gonna fall.